Today we are going to be looking at multiplication patterns with tens and hundreds. So our question says, which pair of numbers best completes the equation? Now an equation is basically just this right here, but we are used to seeing numbers on the inside instead of these shapes here. So we have this square or this box, and we want the number in this box times 100 to equal the triangle. So essentially what we're going to do is to look at our answer choices, and we use these numbers right here to plug into the equation and see which one is correct. Now anytime I'm multiplying by 100, I simply add 2 zeros at the end of the number, because 2 times 100 would be 200. Well, basically what I did was I multiplied that 2 times a 1, and then I add on my 2 zeros at the end. So that's what we're going to use here to help us determine if our answer is correct. So we want to see which of these answer choices is going to yield us the correct answer with the 2 zeros at the end. So this says 65 and 650. Well, I'm multiplying by 100 on all of these, because that's what it's telling me to do. So if I do 65 times 100, I'll write out 65, and then I add 2 zeros. And then that would be 6,500. And I see in my answer choice here, the triangle, it does not match. So this answer would be incorrect. For B, it starts with 65 again. And we want to multiply it by 100. So we will add 2 zeros. And I get 6,500, which matches what is in this triangle. So this answer might be correct. But we are not going to stop here. We're going to continue to look at C and D and make sure there's no other answers that look correct. Okay? The next box has 65 in it. We'll multiply it times 100. We'll add 2 zeros at the end of 65 to multiply it by 100. And we see we get 6,500. This one says 65,000. This would be the answer if we were multiplying by 1,000, but we're not. So this one is not correct. And let's look at the last one. This number is starting at 650, and then we want to multiply by 100, so we'll add 2 zeros. And here's what we get, and that does not match this answer choice. So we see that our correct answer is B. So anytime you have a test and you're given something like this, I expect to see the math all worked out just like we have here to help guide you to determine the best possible answer.